Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best bone conduction headphones to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 bone conduction headphones too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Shox Open Run Pro Headphones. Without a doubt, Shox has cornered the bone conduction headphone market. The company produces thoughtfully engineered, top-quality products, creating an audio experience to complement the activities you enjoy. The Open Run Pro is an excellent pair of bone conduction headphones. They are ideal for just about any situation but are great headphones for running. Available in 4 colors and 2 band sizes, the Open Run Pro fits gently, yet securely, around the back of the head, looping around the ears and resting against the temples. The headphones employ patented 9th generation bone conduction technology. They are equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, using the SBC codec, and feature premium pitch 2.0 signal processing, which prevents bleed, minimizes distortion, and produces a more dynamic bass with minimal vibrations. The battery lasts 10 hours, and you can get a full charge in an hour. Or, with a quick 5-minute charge, you'll get up to 1.5 hours of battery life. Number 2. Shox Open Swim Wireless Headphones. Shox designed the Open Swim specifically to deliver your favorite music, audiobooks, and podcasts while swimming. These headphones feature an IP68 rating, fit comfortably under a swim cap, and you can swim as deep as 2 meters for up to 2 hours at a time. Unfortunately, they are not Bluetooth compatible. But they can store up to 1,200 songs, 4 gigabytes, of various file types, including MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC. The Open Swim headphones feature the same command controls and premium pitch 2.0 technology as other Shox open-ear headphones. So, while you won't be able to stream, you can listen to your favorites with solid, satisfying sound quality. They even come with a nose clip and earplugs. Our open-ear design powered by bone conduction technology ensures bud-free, comfortable listening all day, in or out of the water. Includes Shox nose clip. Rebranded version of AfterShokz X-Trainers. Number 3. Shox OpenCom Headphones. The OpenCom 2 UC headphones prioritize clear communication using an adjustable DSP boom microphone. The boom mic suppresses background noise and highlights your voice when positioned near your mouth. Though the person on the other end of the line won't pick up on your environment sounds, the open-ear headphones will ensure you can hear the person talking on the phone and the one right in front of you. The OpenCom 2 is Zoom certified, offering seamless software integration and Zoom controls on the dedicated headset buttons. They are a great pair of headphones for work. As a result, the OpenCom 2 system lets you bypass your car's choppy stereo if you have to make a call on the road without cutting yourself off from the sound of traffic. You can also stay on the call when you're at a job site or keep connected during a busy commute, all without losing situational awareness. Number 4. Halo Bone Conduction Headphones. Using your sweaty hands to remove your headphones because someone is asking to use the treadmill is common in the gym. So is taking your earbuds out or headphones off repeatedly while roommates/family/friends try to talk to you as you get chores done. Keep your headphones on while keeping your ears open with these sport-friendly Halo Pure Free Bone Conduction Headphones. They are IP67 rated, meaning sweat and water won't get in the way of completing your reps, whether lifting weights or emptying the washer. The sound quality is superb compared to other bone conduction headphones, with deep bass and a solid range of highs and lows thanks to a strong Bluetooth 5.2 connection. A noise-canceling microphone means you can take calls without the background bleeding into your conversation. However, a proprietary charger means you'll be tuneless if you lose power on the go, so prep before you step. Number 5. Kids Bone Conduction Headphones. These open-ear headphones aren't exactly the same as bone conduction headphones, but the form factor and effect are similar. With sound-beaming speakers resting outside the ear on the cheekbones, these headphones ensure your active child can stay alert to their surroundings even when listening to their favorite songs. The adjustable band is suitable for children ages 4 to 15. With a volume limit of 85 decibels, these headphones go above and beyond to address any concerns you might have for their awareness or hearing. N/0 equipped these headphones with Bluetooth 5.0, 8 hours of battery, and an automatic sensor to control playback. An IP54 rating means you won't have to worry about a few spills or drops in the dirt. Whether skateboarding, biking, or just running around the backyard, your kids can enjoy music and mobility safely. It is compatible with iOS, Android smartphones, tablets, Macs, computers, or laptops. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.